Hello and welcome to another episode of Mac Knows. Got that water leak taken care of, and now I'm working on some ventilation system underneath the mobile home. I thought I'd just give you kind of a little rundown what I'm doing, and something that's doesn't cost very much, and it's cost effective, controlling the airflow and humidity underneath the mobile home. So I'm going to go ahead and show this to you. This is one of them that I put in. They've got a nice little slide on them. They cost about $6-7. They're a lot cheaper than some of the other vents I've seen out there. So what I'm doing is I've got a 60 foot long trailer, and about every 15 feet or so basically got 4 of them. I'm spacing them out underneath here, and I could tell when after I cut the hole, put this thing in, this vent in, it really, you could feel the air moving underneath there, and that's what I really need to do. And so I'm going to put one in over here, and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing on that. And then I'll finish up with some liquid nails going around it, seal that up, and that should take care of it. So we'll be right back. Really, this is just a short tutorial, I guess, if you will, on just doing this. Really, I'm not even sure why I even did a video. This is pretty easy to do. As you can see on this, you've got your slides. So you got your airflow. Yeah, especially in the summertime, wintertime, if you need to close it off, you can close it off. These are like $6, maybe $7, and they're the cheapest that I found. For what I need to do. I mean, they go on all the way up to $30 a piece, and you know, I don't need that. So basically, I just take a Sharpie marker. I'm going to go through and I'm going to trace this. Underneath here, there's a lip, and so I want to trace this because I want this vent to sit on that lip there, and run this up and over. Not only that, you've got this protrusion here, so this is going to have to sink in to the wood. It's going to have to go in, and I'll show you how I do that. So I kind of make two drawings here, or 2 traces. There, I'll get the camera now and kind of get an idea what we got here. So basically, I just trace this. Now I'm going to go through and get my saws. I'm going to cut this out, and then you'll see how this kind of fits in there. But you've got this lip right here. See that lip? See that lip? That lip has got to sit on the outside of that wall there. So you want to make sure you trace it this way and not that way, or else you're going to have a hole. So I'll get this cut and we'll be right back. Alright, I got this piece cut out. Get this out of the way. And as I was saying before, you want to be able to get it so that the vent sits on that lip there. And I'll try and get this thing put in. Kind of hard with one hand, but there we go. There. So now I'll go in and I'll take some caulk or maybe some liquid nails, something, and I'll run this around and get this set in so it stays in place, and that's going to help control the airflow underneath the mobile home. And I've got some on the other sides, but this side definitely needed it, didn't have any, and I think this will really help the airflow. I can already feel air coming out of that. So I hope this little tutorial, I guess if you want to call it that, was helpful. Again, you can find this kind of stuff for $6, $7 at most places, including your top two home improvement centers. So this is Mac No signing off, and hopefully we'll catch up again soon. All right, till then, you take care. Bye bye.